New and working codes inside of Blue Lock Rivals. We are getting the master of all trades. Tomorrow, the chameleon. And today we have the new working codes inside of Blue Lock. Don't miss out on any future codes, redeem every single one of them. The first one. Authorized. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Authority. This is the first one. King. Authority. 7 lucky spins. Easy 7 lucky spins. Don't miss out on any future codes. Sub up. Chirolo is waiting. King over Hall. King over Hall. Just like this one. Redeem this one as well for some free stuff. The next one is REO REWORK. REO REWORK. Potentially a new upcoming code. This could be REO REWORK or REO Overhaul. One of these two. Shouting man fire emoji. January 3rd, 2049. January 3rd, 2049. Master of all trades. Chameleon. Bug fixes, balances, 1 million. We need to hit 1 million. If we actually hit 1 million, Chirolo will give us an extra code. Every single body, go follow the event. Follow the Roblox event. If you haven't already followed this event, follow the event. Follow the event. We have 700,000 interested. If this number hits 1 million, we get an extra code.